community feel to it, while also getting to meet a lot of new people.
On Sunday mornings, I'm really excited to go to church and to worship with everyone.
I like Restoration because it's fun and I get to play games.
Everybody here is super friendly and easy to talk to, and I really like the sermons. I always walk away after the sermons on Sunday morning feeling like I've learned something that actually applies to me.
We love Restoration!
Anytime a heart turns from darkness to light, anytime temptation comes and someone stands to fight, anytime somebody lives to serve and not be served, I know God is on the move, hallelujah.
For me, Restoration, and what I hope people experience when they come to Restoration, is not the church looking at them and saying, gosh, I can't wait until God grows you into something greater, but people looking at them and saying, gosh, it's awesome who you are right now.
The one thing about Restoration that I love is that we are always thinking about the community. We're always thinking about how we can make a difference on the kids in that community.
Anytime the choice is made to stand upon the word, I know.
I do feel that, in Restoration, I have the place and the space to kind of slowly learn more and kind of deepen my faith.
Restoration has been, I guess, the mirror in my life, like reminding me like community is so important to me, giving back is so important to me.
I love seeing all the people and all the joy that you get from helping people.
My heart is all about serving, and I love to be a part of it.
Restoration's been a home, it's been a landing place, it's been a place for me to grow myself and grow in my faith, to be challenged, but also to feel welcomed.
One of the things I love most is meeting new people, and be it through inviting them to our women's group on Monday nights, just Bible studies, or seeing new people at the church, especially when they come back.
You know, the sense of giving back to the community, what the church has given to me from coming from homelessness.
The restoration has had a huge impact on my life. One, I think just being in community with the people in the church. I know I've grown spiritually. I've gotten to know so many amazing people.